But I say let's strain one more time. We're gonna go over this side. Play back and forth. Back and forth. Oh, don't drop. I got it. Watch this. I know it's coming. Oh, shoot. Fuck. Just for that little one, you see, just for that little one, sacrifice so many. Sometimes you gotta leave that little one behind, man. That's what that means. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Going for the win. Fuck the dick. We gon' represent. Ikea Amir here with Ami Mami, and we're about to make some homemade milk. Almonds and walnuts. And we had the almonds and walnuts soaking in with about a dash of sea salt for about 4 hours now. Let it soak. After the soaking period, you want to go over and rinse with the strainer, rinsing them thoroughly. Then you want to add them into your blender, and you want to add some fresh water. If you got filtered water, if you got a filter at home, or distilled water, or some kind of spring water. Can I tell the people what we doing? See, like, once the kids get on, they just think they grown. You know what I'm saying? Once the kids get on the almond and walnut milk, they just think they grown. Like, talking over, see, you gotta get out. You gotta get right. So these are the main things you will need for the process of making your own homemade milk out of almonds or walnuts, or any other nut that you would prefer. I prefer almonds or walnuts for the great omegas and protein and other nutrients that it has. Yeah, so we're using coconut sugar today. Not going to use the stevia. I know coconut sugar is not that good in comparison to regular sugar. As far as the glycemic levels, it still can cause some problems, but it's a little bit more natural, and I like the taste of it. Has a little bit more minerals and vitamins that you can get from it. But if you don't want to have high sugar in your stuff, you can use a stevia, which is a good replacer for a sweetener. Once we take this right here, after soaking it for 2 to 4 hours, or overnight if you like. Glass jars, man. Save all your glass jars. Save all the glass, man. You see? Save all the glass, man, as much as possible. That's still some lemon, pure lime juice. Still kicking for the good bacteria in the morning for the stomach, you know. But yeah, strain it. We don't need that dirty water. Strain it. Keep it filtered though. That last little piece trying to hang in there. Look at it. Look at it. I got it. Watch this. I know it's coming. Oh, shoot. Fuck it. Sacrifice, see? I gotta go try it, don't they? It's dirty. Just for that little one, you see? Just for that little one, sacrifice so many. Sometimes you gotta leave that little one behind, man. That's what that means right there. Sometimes you gotta leave that little one behind. Look at all that was sacrificed. How much milk you think that left out? Rinse these things off thoroughly. What you use your strainer for. If you gotta, put your hands in there, you know. Mix them up, see? You might fall, but it's okay. That one will be okay. Get them in your blender. Rinse that out, because that is what we're going to be straining into. Straining, 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 straining. Now you don't want to add no sugars until you're done. Straining, 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 straining. Straining, 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 straining. And then you have to blend it again. Now we got our nice almond blend. We're gonna first strain it. A little bit at a time because it's gonna be thick. We get that, we're gonna need a utensil or two, I'll say a spoon to scoop and get the stuff off the bottom and remove it so you can keep it milking like a cow. And then all of this right here is where we're gonna be putting into the nut sack. Pause. My damn dad's voice. And we're gonna add more. Add a little more. Say more. More. Yep. This is real milk, guys. How it's looking. So pretty much we're just gonna keep continuing this process until this is all gone. And then we're gonna add more water and some sweetener and blend again. Y'all seen all them nuts I just strained and had soaking, man, and blended. And this is all of the milk that came from. That is not even 32 fluid ounces. That's like 20 ounces, my God. 20 ounces, bro. All them nuts, bro. That was like at least 2 cups of nuts. We forgot about this point. See that? The nut bag already working. Look, we're gonna use that too. That's coming too. But yeah, gonna go on over here. And then this is the second process. This is why they call it milk. Plant-based milk, because we gotta come grab them nipples. Hold on, say young gripper. Shout out my guy, goodness gracious, it's a young gripper in the midst of house fire. You feel me? You feel me? Yeah. Yeah, we're getting it all. Getting all the nutrients. Make sure you wash your hands too before you do this. We don't know the dirt juice sliding off in our milk, man. We don't know who making that milk at Walmart. Who putting that milk in Walmart? That almond milk in Walmart. Who squeezing your almond milks? Your almonds. You know yeah. Make your own milk at home, man. You don't know who dirty hands been milking your motherfucker. I mean, so yeah, that process right there. And then also, what this can be used for now is a nice cookie dough. This could be added to pancakes, cookies. You can make a lot of different things with this if you add this to something, or you could just use these by itself. Bake them like cookies. Add your own little sugar on top. Got some nice little snickerdoodle sugar cookies. You feel? And get the rest of those remains. Made a little mess. We're gonna get to it. And now we're gonna add a little bit more water, but this part we're gonna measure. We wanna know how much water we're adding because we know right here, this is 20 ounces, 16 ounces, almost 20 ounces, 16 to 18 ounces, fluid ounces of almond milk, pure almond milk. Now we're probably gonna add, I'll say, about another 20 ounces of distilled water. 20 to 30 ounces, I'll say 28. That's what this is right here, 28 of distilled water. To play the stretch game, stretch. And as you can see, it's a little foamy. Now, if you really want to, we can go through the straining process once again. And this is how we would do that. Okay, so we cleaned up a little bit, got our materials back out, and so we're gonna strain again. Just to make sure it could run through a baby's bottle. You see that? Just to make sure it could run through a baby's bottle. This is that safety strain, just to make sure. And so far, so good, y'all. This is all we have left, and we can add that to our nut bag. This is all we have left. We can add that to our nut bag as well and get more milk out of that. But I say let's strain one more time. Play back and forth. Back and forth. Oh. Don't drop none of the necessities. They're spilling it over the sink. This bowl is awkward. Strain it again. And this time it's clean. Oh no, it looks like we got more. It just keeps coming. So let's see, that's 2 strains. We're gonna get the number. We're gonna get the number right for you guys. Okay, that looks better. Much better. I could get jiggy with that. I could get jiggy with that. There we go. Now that'll go through a baby's bottle. Come back in here. Make sure we don't waste as much as we could, and it's all good. And there you have it. Homemade almond milk. We're gonna give it a try.
Pour a cup.
Hey, I think it's perfect. I think we don't even need to add no sweetener. But if you want to, don't forget coconut sugar, a little bit better alternative. Strain it again, and this time it's clean. Oh no, it looks like we got more. It just keeps coming. So let's see, that's 2 strains. We're gonna get the number. We're gonna get the number right for you guys. That's 2 strains. Scrape this out. One more time. Okay, that looks better. Much better. I could get jiggy with that. I could get jiggy with that. There we go. Now that'll go through a baby's bottle. No debris. Back up, build up. You know that baby bottle build up. How we avoid that. Come back in here. Make sure we don't waste as much as we could, and it's all good. And there you have it. Homemade almond milk. We're gonna give it a try.
Pour a cup.
Hey, I think it's perfect. I think we don't even need to add no sweetener. But if you want to, don't forget coconut sugar, a little bit better alternative. Savage is hot. Join the alumni school of thought. Who'd have thought? I did it! We gon' represent. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Going for the win. Fuck it, did. We gon' represent. Okay.